Hey all, welcome to Share Trek. This is Raj here. Guys, as you can see, I'm not feeling too great today. A little bit of allergies and that's brought me down. But hopefully I should bounce back by tomorrow. I have taken the anti-allergy tablets and other things, so it should be fine. Today I want to look at the markets. We haven't looked at the indices for a while. We haven't looked at the genomic stocks. So I'm going to do the 1, 2, 3, which is going to be the markets video once, and then the genomics watch list, another video, and another video for my separate set of stocks like Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft, and so on. So it's a very interesting situation right now because the talk around town is that probably we'll have interest rate cuts coming up very soon. So that's really interesting. And I also heard that mortgage rates have gone down by 0.4, 40, that is 40 BPS. So that's a very, very interesting situation. And another question that comes to my mind is, isn't the government pumping in money into the market if it makes whole for SVB and the other banks, Signature Bank and others who have got into trouble? And wouldn't the banks which buy those bonds make a lot of profits, and all that money is going to come back into the market? Wouldn't that spur inflation? So it's absolutely confusing. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know what's happening, but we'll just have a look at all the indices and everything just to make sure that we stay on top of whatever we can. At least we should be familiar with what is happening. And that's the objective of this video. Let's get started. Well, friends, here we are in the TradingView platform looking at Nasdaq futures, which is up 0.28%. At the time of recording, which is 24th of March 2023, 8:43 p.m., you can see that Nasdaq futures are looking green. And I'm really tempted to draw a bull support line out here. You guys will already know this because you have seen me do this before. Just removing some lines so that we don't get confused. And I'm going to reintroduce all our simple moving averages. I couldn't find my regular scripts, so I have introduced only 3 exponential moving averages. And these are the 9-day exponential moving average, which is this line out here. And then I have the 100-day exponential moving average, which is the white line that you can see here. And then finally, the 200-day exponential moving average, which is the yellow line. So Nasdaq futures is above all the 3 exponential moving average. So it's in a strong position. It's on a bull channel at this point of time. I just can't believe it, but it's happening. Let's go and have a look at what's happening with the indicators. US oil continues to make its way down, which is basically good for the overall economy. We were in a narrow range for a long period of time, right from 16th of November 2022 all the way up to 14th of March 2023. After that, we have fallen below this line of support, which has now become a line of resistance. And that's holding for us. And oil is below all the 3 exponential moving averages. So oil is looking weak right now, but it still has support from this diagonal line of resistance of the previous bear channel, which I'm going to mark as a support line. Therefore, I made it green. This is in the right direction. It's going well. Next, let's look at QQQ, which was up 0.37% today. And it's also on a bull channel. If I look at it at this point of time, we have this bullish line and it's above that. So it's also looking pretty good. MACD and momentum is also looking good. S&P 500 is also looking pretty good overall in terms of the MACD and the momentum. Momentum is almost at 50%. We just need to break through this very, very strong resistance of this horizontal line of resistance from the earlier bear channel, and also the 200-day exponential moving average, which is this yellow line. So it's going to be a very, very strong challenge for S&P 500. We'll see what it does. Dow Jones Industrials is looking weak, though the MACD is looking bullish, but it's still within the bearish context. And it is below all the lines of exponential moving averages. So it's not looking that great at this point of time. Russell index was up 0.90, but its MACD as well as momentum is looking weak, and it's still in the bear channel out here. And VIX is somewhere in the 21 range. We want it to be below 20 for the market to be healthy. So much to be desired out here. But it's moving in the right direction at this point of time based on the MACD and the momentum. Next, I would like to go to the established technology. Microsoft has done extremely well. It's on a bull channel. It's looking super strong. Chance of being overheated and may consolidate a little bit before going up further. Apple also is doing excellent. And we had this target from our cup and handle earlier of 161.01. We already met that target. So the question is, are we going to break the target? So let us watch for that tomorrow, because there is plenty of potential that that could happen, because MACD is bullish and momentum is also great. And then we are looking at Google. Google has not done very well today, which is 24th of March, but it still managed to stay above the support, which is at around 106.06. And I'm going to mark this also into a support. So it's got plenty of support, slightly overheated, almost overheated. So it's going to consolidate a little bit on top of this line before moving up further. So that brings me to an end of looking at the indices. I'll just quickly take a look at crypto. And in crypto, you can see BTC USD has done extremely well. It's having a little trouble breaking through 28,993, but once it does that, it's just going to take off because it's above all the moving averages. There was a bit of overbought situation, so it cooled off. MACD is still bullish. So it's just a matter of consolidating a little bit before moving up again. So it's all looking good. Well, that brings me to an end of this video. Overall, I have a lot of positive feelings, but my gut tells me that there is still a lot of systemic issues in the macroeconomy and geopolitics, and also the political system in the US itself has got a lot of fractures in there with the latest developments that are happening. So I'd be absolutely careful. My personal approach is going to be to place covered calls and take profits where possible. Some of my shares are coming into profitability. My holdings of FNGU is just short of profitability, in less than 1% below profitability. As soon as it comes to profitability, I might probably sell it. And I'm waiting for DNA to come to 146 or 154 so that I can just take my money and keep it safe. So that's my mind frame. I would like to hear from you guys, what you guys think. What is your strategy at this point of time? Please put it in the comments. We need to collaborate at this time, because I'm also an individual investor and you get the benefit of my thoughts. Please give me the benefit of your thoughts so that we can jointly enjoy our common knowledge and come up with better theories to take advantage of the market situation. That's all for now, my friends, and I've been wheezing away. I apologize for that. I sound a bit nasal, but I think soon I'll get better. Thanks and have a great day. I'll catch up with you again. Bye for now.